Hello, let's talk about the live library of narcotics that is kept through me or my life or my forefathers or my descendants who are my children who are going to come after me. So this is how it goes. Because you have a way, there's a way that people can steam your life, and it's only you who has that live library or live stream capabilities where people can view what is happening in your life 24/7. And because it's only you who has that capability, or your children, it can be something that's genetically present in your DNA. What I've realized is that people are keeping a library of narcotics through me. And this is what I mean. You are in different situations. I'm in different situations, and all of a sudden, I magically find solutions and find money or solutions to life people cannot even perceive. It's because my mental status has been altered. I don't mean that these are drugs you can be given to swallow. You have to be intelligent. I cannot keep telling you everything that these narcotics are things that can be put in your drinks or being greeted with. These are things even someone who is 100 meters away can make you inhale. By making you inhale things in a certain pattern, they can ensure that when I expose this drug to this person, it's an aerosol and it's traveling by air. They are out to make sure that when I expose this to this person, this is how me now is going to exactly experience this, and it's going to be me only and not anyone else. Yeah, this is how that's basically how it's done. And they know that. They know the series of things you've been put through, things they have been exposing to you. And they know now this is how you think and this is how you're going to perceive the world. And you are going to find this solution at this time. And it's a library of narcotics where people can now refer to your life as, when he was in this situation, this is what he was given, or this is the series of things he was given, and this is how he found solutions. And they are going to be looking for that, maybe to buy it somewhere or create it themselves, or even seeing how you solve things and recording it. He was in this situation and this is what he bought so that he can solve this. You are basically a solution manual to people. And there are different generations, and people who lived in the 1900s had different issues, or people who didn't go to school have different way of viewing life. And that's why, for you, there's need for someone in your descendants who didn't go to school they can use, or someone among your descendants who didn't go to school they can use, to create these narcotics. And they are out there to maintain a library of things, a solution you got and what you are laced with. It's not only solutions. You can in an episode I talked about you can have solutions, or you can have some knowledge and not even know how to apply. It's all about how risks appear to you and how you view life. I can know that how to program things and not even do it because I am not laced with the right narcotic that enables me, or the right mix of these fumes or these mind altering things that will enable me to see life a certain way and program it. That's how it is. I cannot keep telling you all of those bullshits that this is how it's done. You cannot keep being dumb to me and keeping me trying to tell you everything, because your mind is so low and you are made to behave that way so that you can maybe destroy my life or things like that. Laze me. This is how it is. Now when you're no longer useful, or when life changes, when now there's a new age, there's new technology, it's now time to get rid of you so that they can create another one, or one of my children takes over what I've been doing. He keeps getting laced according now to how the time goes, because now you cannot use someone who is so old and is used to doing things a certain way, or or is used to the past age where there were no technologies. You have to get rid of that one. Now maybe me or maybe my forefathers, they were get rid of, and their children were killed because there can only be one library. That's how dumb people are. And they're out to create, a library of narcotics out there, because without inducing your mind, really, there's nothing you're achieving, That's basically it. There's nothing. You're not achieving anything. Because your mind, the state of your mind cannot really see naturally. Cannot really see certain solutions, things like that. And when I wrote something here that I am about to read it for you. They like to use you as a library or as a 24/7 live stream study sample, and they can't stop. This is now everyone in the world. It's not only some few people. I'm not referring to the police. Some people can be so dumb that they can now start using this as an accusations for certain people, to accuse certain people of, you did this to Alex Ngeno. It's everyone, and everyone will like to use my abilities or the fact that you cannot mess with this guy as a weapon to attack certain people. They like to have your power for them, and they can't stop, so they'll do anything to ensure that when you're no longer beneficial to them, it's inevitable that you die. So all these things are meant to to ensure that when you're no longer useful to them, it's inevitable that you are dead. That's it for today. This is Alex Ngena. See you again next time.